Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you an easy way to peel your plantain. So let's start. First, rub your hands with cooking oil to help avoid getting your hands stained. Take a knife, make 3 cuts around the plantain and at the end as well. Now with your finger, pushing the peel slowly. Don't put a lot of pressure because the plantain can break. Help yourself with the knife if you need it. Be careful how deep you cut the plantain with the knife. We do the 3 cut again around the plantain and at the end. We use our fingers. Now that you know how to peel your plantain, start making some Dominican recipe. You can make your own mangú con 3 golpes, your tostones, your plantain stuffer. You can make mofongo. So you can find all those recipes here on my channel. So subscribe and hit the bell so you can be the first to know when a new video is on the channel. My plantains are ready. Now you start peeling your plantains like a pro. Yep, it's right there. Bye everyone, see you in the next video.